Welcome, very welcome to Ostrobothnia's research station. My name is Jussi Tuomisto and I'm director of Potato Research Institute. And we have 25,000 hectares potato in Finland and caraway 20,000 hectares.
Oh, really?
About 1/3 of the world's caraway is cultivating in Finland.
So this soil pit is, the soil level is 26 meters above the sea level, and the particle size distribution is mainly silty, about 65 to 70% of silt and about 25% of clay. And this soil has been in agricultural use for at least 100 years. And now I have understood that there is subsurface pipe drainage at about 1 meter's depth, because we had to make the soil pit here because there is a major pipeline 10 meters from us.
Okay. Is there a fining upward sequence? Is it?
No,
uniform.
it is nearly uniformly silt with the same percentage. You will find this analytical data in your guidebook.
Right.
And the sulfidic materials start at about 220 centimeters. I will show you that with the auger, because it was not possible to dig the soil pit as deep as that, because
Is it illegal?
we hit some water there.
Ah, that's no problem.
Yeah. Yeah. And the total sulfur content of the uppermost sulfidic materials is 0.7%. And down to 1 meter the soil is already quite leached. According to the chemical analysis, down to 125 centimeters the extractable sulfur content is only 150 centimeters or less, but the horizon between 125 and 150 centimeters meets the criterion of the sulfuric horizon. And the pH right below the plough layer is already as low as 3.9, and it goes to 3.4 at 1 meter. And as you see, this soil is particularly rich in jarosite or related minerals, and when you go into the pit you will be amazed by the amount of pipe stems that you find there. When we were preparing the pit on Thursday, I picked some pipe stems for Lee Sullivan to take back home to Australia and to run some X-ray diffraction on them. And also of this yellow compounds, which can be jarosite or something else, it has, in those prism faces, it has the thickness of about 1 or 2 millimeters even. So it was very easy to take the sample from that compared to many other places. So this is the soil profile that is richest in jarosite that I have seen in Finland. And this is not unique to this area. I have had a couple of soil pits in this field and they all look the same.
Would like to say a few words about jarosite, because and I didn't wear my jarosite yellow shirt today, but it is, I claim it as my favorite mineral because it tells me so much about the soil. But I'd just like to comment a little bit on why it's forming just on the prism face, or I guess it's possible it's also, I don't know if Marco called attention yet to the pipe stems, but there are pipe stems here, the roots, and And if you go in the tropical areas, you find very much the jarosite around the mangrove root, or where the mangrove roots were. And the reason it's forming in these channels, in my very